Hello my dear students, today we'll solve question number 32b from CBSE exam paper 2026 math standard set 3 QP code 30/5/3 class 10. So let us start question number 32b. Through the midpoint Q of side CD of a parallelogram ABCD, the line AR is drawn which intersect BD at P and produce BC at R. Prove that. So this is the figure. Through the midpoint Q of side CD of a parallelogram ABCD, the line AR is drawn which intersect BD at the point P, produced BC at R. Prove that. अब हमको प्रूव करना है ए क्यू इक्वल टू क्यू आर, ए पी इक्वल टू 2 times पी क्यू and PR is equal to 2 times AP. So solution, first part, prove that AQ is equal to QR. Use property of congruent triangles. So in triangle ADQ, and triangle RCQ, इस ट्राइंगल में और इस ट्राइंगल में DQ is equal to QC because Q is the midpoint, and this angle is equal to this angle because vertically opposite angles, and this angle is equal to this angle. Why? These are the alternate interior angles because AD is parallel to BC. This implies AD is parallel to PR. Therefore, this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Hence, this side AD is equal to RC and AQ is equal to QR. So, in triangle ADQ and triangle RCQ, DQ is equal to QC because Q is the midpoint of CD. Angle ADQ is equal to angle RCQ. Alternate interior angles as AD parallel BC. This implies AD parallel BR. Angle AQD is equal to angle RQC, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle ADQ is congruent to triangle RCQ by ASA. Thus, AQ is equal to QR by CPCT and AD is equal to CR. Hence proved. This portion will use in part 3 and alternate method for this part 1. So you see in triangle RQC, this triangle, and triangle RAB, this triangle. This angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angles, and this angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angles. Why? Because AB is parallel to DC, or this implies AB is parallel to QC. So this angle is equal to this and this angle is equal to this, corresponding angles. Therefore, triangle RQC is similar to triangle RAB. So now you see from the corresponding parts of the similar triangles, RQ upon RA is equal to RC upon RB and QC is equal to AB. Now you see QC is the half of CD and CD is equal to AB. Therefore, QC is half of AB. So now you see in triangle RQC and triangle RAB, angle RQC is equal to angle RAB. and angle RCQ is equal to angle RBA, corresponding angles as AB parallel DC. Therefore, triangle RQC is similar to triangle RAB by AA similarity. Therefore, QR upon RA is equal to RC upon RB is equal to QC upon AB is equal to 1 by 2, because QC is half of AB. Q is midpoint of DC. AB is equal to DC equal to 2 times QC. Now, by taking this and this, you see RA is equal to 2 times QR. And taking this and this, RB is equal to 2 times RC. So this implies AQ is equal to QR and CB is equal to RC. Now we will do the next part. So question number 32B, we will do first third part. So to prove PR is equal to 2AP, identify similar triangles in triangle APD. APD, this triangle, and triangle RPB. RPB, एक तो ये ट्राइंगल है और एक ये ट्राइंगल है. नाउ एंगल APD, APD, this angle is equal to angle RPB. RPB, this angle. This angle is this angle because vertically opposite angles. And angle PAD, PAD, this angle is equal to this angle because alternate interior angles, since AD is parallel to BR. AD is parallel to BC. This implies AD is parallel to BR. Therefore, triangle APD is similar to triangle RPB by AA similarity. So their corresponding parts are in the same ratio. So AP upon PR, AP upon PR is equal to AD, AD upon BR, BR. Now, so AP upon PR is equal to AD upon BR. Now to find BR in terms of AD. अब BR को हम AD की टर्म्स में ज्ञात करेंगे. सो AD इज इक्वल टू CR फ्रॉम पार्ट 1. पार्ट 1 में हमने प्रूव किया है AD इज इक्वल टू CR एंड AD इज इक्वल टू BC. AD जो है वो BC के बराबर है. आप देखिए AD इज इक्वल टू BC बिकॉज vertically opposite sides of a parallelogram. So AD is equal to BC, opposite sides of a parallelogram. Thus, BR is equal to BC plus CR. अब आप देखिए BR, ये किसके बराबर है? BC प्लस CR. और हमने प्रूव किया है कि CR is equal to AD एंड BC is equal to CR. तो यहाँ से क्या हुआ फिर? 10 BR is equal to BC प्लस CR. तो हम BC की जगह AD रख देंगे और CR की जगह भी AD रख देंगे. सो BR is equal to BC plus CR is equal to AD plus AD is equal to 2 times AD. Substitute BR is equal to 2AD into the above ratio. जो above ratio है उसमें ये रखना है. तो हमारा जो रेशो क्या था? रेशो था AP अपॉन PR इज इक्वल टू AD अपॉन BR. और इसमें रखा तो ये हो गया AP अपॉन PR इक्वल टू AD अपॉन 2AD। AD से AD कैंसिल कर दिया तो इज इक्वल टू 1/2। दिस इम्प्लाइज PR is equal to 2AD, hence proved. Now we will do the second part. So to prove AP is equal to 2PQ, AK is equal to QR from part 1. Part 1 में ये हमने प्रूव किया है। एंड फ्रॉम पार्ट 2 AP upon PR is equal to half. So AP upon PR is equal to half from part 3. From part 3. So to find PR in terms of AP and PQ, अब हम PR को AP और PQ की टर्म्स में ज्ञात करेंगे। तो PR इज इक्वल टू, अब आप फिगर से देखिए, PR इज इक्वल टू PQ प्लस QR। सो दिस इज इक्वल टू PQ प्लस AQ, क्योंकि QR इज इक्वल टू AQ, इक्वल टू PQ प्लस AQ। अब AQ को देखिए फिगर में, AQ इज इक्वल टू AP प्लस PQ, तो ये हमने रख दिया यहाँ। सो PQ प्लस AQ की जगह AP प्लस PQ, बिकॉज AQ इज इक्वल टू AP प्लस PQ। सो इज इक्वल टू PQ ऐड किए तो 2PQ प्लस AP, दिस इज इक्वल टू PR। अब ये PR की जो वैल्यू आई है इसको हम अब रेशो में रखेंगे। सो पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ PR इन द एबव रेशो। सो एबव रेशो क्या है? रेशो था हमारा AP अपॉन PR इज इक्वल टू हाफ, तो इसी में हमने रख दिया। तो AP अपॉन 2PQ प्लस AP इज इक्वल टू हाफ, ये रख दिया हमने। तो यहाँ से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 2AP इज इक्वल टू 2PQ प्लस AP। अब दिस इम्प्लाइज AP को इधर लेंगे तो सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा, तो बचा AP इज इक्वल टू 2PQ, हैंस प्रूव्ड। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।